Hello dear friends of the culinary world. Chef Alfredo Linguini here. Remember me? Today, we're about to embark on a delicious journey as we prepare together a French classic, vegan ratatouille. And no, we won't need a little rat chef, just a lot of passion for cooking. Liked my visit here on the channel? Then stick with me. Let's see what you'll need for this French delight. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius because we're about to create a masterpiece of flavors. Start with a layer of succulent tomatoes. Oh, remember Remy, our little friend from Ratatouille, when slicing these tomatoes. Now, the vegetable dance begins. Slices of eggplant, zucchini, red and yellow bell peppers, and of course, the onion, all arranged in a beautiful display. Like a work of art on the canvas, isn't it? Prepare a special sauce with chopped garlic, tomato sauce, and a touch of olive oil. Pour that over our vegetable friends. It's like magic happening. Cover everything with the authentic Herbes de Provence, those that give a French touch to any dish. Season with salt and pepper for the perfect balance. Now, remember, it's time to cover our creation with a temporary cloak, like a valuable protection for a treasure. Let's bake for 30 minutes to start releasing all those delicious aromas. And, tadoa. Remove the cloak and let our vegetables bake for another 15 to 20 minutes until they reach the point of perfection. What an incredible aroma, right? Imagine Remy here with us, applauding our efforts. So dear friends, as this vegan ratatouille of vegetables turns into a symphony of flavors, I ask you, subscribe to the channel, leave that wonderful like, and share this recipe with all your friends and family. Let's spread the love for vegan cuisine. Until the next culinary adventure, and always remember, anyone can cook. Bon appetit!